Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to step into the markets and take another look at Worx just to see if everything is still in line what we recently predicted here on the channel. So if that piques your interest and you have invested since we spoke of this, remember guys, I'm not your financial advice. This isn't financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Okay. But I do want to just kind of go over a few things, very few things. So be sure to stick around to the end as we go over this and more. So without further ado, let's dive into the charts here, shall we? Okay, today's October the 5th, 2020, and the current price of Worx is going to be $1.40. These are the weekly candles here. It's down about a 1.5% for the day. The markets are currently open, and again, these are the weekly candles we're looking at. There's one line we're anticipating to see the price go up to. That's going to be $2.15. It's not guaranteed, guys, but I do want to point out that it looks like we're getting some reaction, potential resistance here at this line at about $1.53. Yeah, let's go down to the lower time frames just to see if we see anything else. Remember, guys, this is gonna be something that's gonna take about a week or two to play out, up to 3 weeks. I can't really see it that far out, but I'm definitely anticipating a move up between the next week, 2 weeks, up to 3 weeks. So just bear that in mind as we entertain this play here. Okay, so these are the 3-day candles. What I'm seeing here is, okay, so this 3-day candle is going to close today. Okay, let's just check out the volume here. They got, let's see, 3.4 and we got 4.9. Okay, so as long as I guess I can put another line here. I'll just put a green line here so you can see what I'm talking about, because it looks like the buyers are definitely putting in their bids like right here. Every time the price comes down to this line here, I'll just make it green so you can see that a little better on the 3-day candles, as far as I can see on the 3 days here. Every time that it comes down to this level here, we get at about 136. The buyers are stepping in and they're pushing up the price, and you can see that here as illustrated in the wicks here below the candles. You see every time we come on that line, the buyers just kind of step in, and of course the selling pressure tried to close. Well, they successfully closed the candle's body below 136, and of course the buyers stepped in immediately, pushing the price back up all the way up to $1.56. So again, it's important. We just have to be patient, wait and see what happens here. The line in the sand for me is going to be 136 as I entertain this play. I'm actually going to be interested in, and as long as the price is above 136, let me be very clear about this, above 136 on a down day, which right now it is a down day, a negative day. Any negative day above 136, I am an interested buyer. Okay, I'll just put that out there. And again, I'm looking to play this over the next up to 3 weeks. We're going to see how this turns out. And yeah, use caution, guys. I'm going to be risking, let's see here. I'm probably going to risk about, I'd say about 10%. Because the upside potential 215, we're looking at about a total of about 53% to the upside from the current level. But obviously I wouldn't wait I wouldn't wait till it gets that high. I'll probably start taking profits at about 20 to 30% in this play here. And that translates to about $1.71. And again, guys, I could be totally wrong about this. So again, this isn't something you should be following along with what I'm doing, entering the markets. I'm just kind of, sharing some advice as far as what I'm doing with my portfolio. So again, use caution as you take anything what I say into consideration. Okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. The 136 level I'm looking at. Let's see the weekly if I see anything else. Yeah, that's pretty much it. 136. We got to get back above 150, though. I'll be honest, guys. This thing has to close above 150 and kind of move up, push the price higher. Otherwise, sellers are obviously in still full control, and the price will head lower. But, yeah, I mean, everyone's down. Dude, everyone is down on their investment. Look at this. I mean, let's just zoom out. Every stinking person who has invested in this instrument ever since 2016. I mean, unless you've invested, let's see if I could zoom in here. unless you've invested in the past like 2 weeks and you were able to kind of nip that bottom before it kind of pushed back up, right? If you've invested over the past 2 weeks and you kind of got in down here, then obviously you're up on your investment. Down here being, for those of you listening in, about 124 up to about 135-ish. You're up on your investment. Everyone else is down on their investment, negative. There's a negative percentage showing in their portfolio on this instrument, which is why it makes me so much more interested, because I mean, at this point, what am I really risking, right? On an instrument that's down, let's see, 73% for the year. And I mean, probably down a whole lot more over the life of this instrument here. So my risk to reward, I think, is pretty fair, I'll say. So yeah, I don't want to go on rambling here, guys, but yeah, let's look for this to play out. The ultimate low we're looking at is 125. On the downside, 136 is the level of interest for the buyers. We need to get back above 150 to play this thing out for the next up to 3 weeks. So it's Napoleon Macro. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks for tuning in, my loyal subscribers, my new subscribers. Hit that subscribe bell and button just below the video there if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to take care.